Okay, everyone, welcome back. Today we have another unboxing. It's been a busy week and kind of hectic here, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep plugging away. We're gonna keep going through some watches. So let's see what we got and open her up. So another Zelos. It's not a brand new release, but it is a new watch from their website, and I just had to get it. I don't know if they're going to be making any more bronze. I think they are, so I had to get this watch. I've already posted some pictures, so I've already seen it. I've already been wearing it, but I wanted to do a video on it. I wanted to catch the fresh patina from the start. I'm just going to enjoy this one as it comes along now. But yeah, it's got this beautiful deep hunter green dial. Beautiful bronze case, 44 millimeters by 48 by I think 12 and a half, maybe 13 the most, but it's not even that thick. It's not even that chunky. It wears really well. Beautiful FKM flexible rubber strap that it comes with vents, which is nice. I appreciate that. And a beautiful signed buckle in bronze as well to match the case. 120 click bezel, beautiful case back, the hammerhead sharks and the reef there. And this one is number 288 out of 300. So not that many of these out there. Not like Seiko's production numbers of 5,000, 6,000. Just being a really good micro brand, Zelos, they're doing everything in small batches. So you got to be quick. But like I said, this one was still on the site and available to purchase. So really, really happy with this watch. It is not too big. It has a small, very small aperture of the dial. And that green is just absolutely beautiful. And I think it works with the bronze very nicely. Also has the red touch there, hammerhead, and then the seconds hand. So this is what it comes with, full kit with the aluminum case. Obviously the new titanium ones that are just launched yesterday. I did pick one up. I won't say yet which one in the video, which one I got, but the new ones will come with also this travel case, and this blue leather travel case will come with it. And this is the one that came with my other green Zelo. So went from 0 green to having 2 of them now, 2 green watches, and both being Zelos. This being the natural malachite gemstone GMT with the Miota 9075 movement, and then the hammerhead there has the Seiko NH35. So really good stuff from them. Kind of been on a little bit of a tear myself with the brand, but that's what I've been into. I've been in, for a while now, and yeah, I've had about 12 Zelos in the collection, and they're just phenomenal watches for the money. So this is not the bracelet for this. I would need to get a 22 because it's 22 millimeter lug. That one there is for my 20 millimeter Mako, which is this one here. So as you guys can see, the difference in the shine right now, this being brand new, the hammerhead, and the Mako being a few years old already. So this one's got a lot more luster, but that luster will go away slowly. It will fade into a nice matte kind of bronze finish, and that's what I'm hoping for. Right now I have this on a ballistic style Zulu, I guess, nylon strap with matching hardware, and it's pretty fun wearing it on this one right now. As you can see, there's a little bit of discoloration there just from wearing it through the past little bit of heat days that we've had, and yeah, it's holding up really well. And like I said, even the bracelet has been pretty good too. So that's where it is. This is the new hammerhead. This is how it looks on the wrist. Just an unboxing. 6 3/4 inch wrist, and I think it fits perfectly. All right, until the next one, we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.